Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the attention aware in the voice control on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, go to the accessibility, and then go to the voice control. So if you swipe down all the way, you're going to find something attention aware. So let's turn on now the voice control. And now, as you can see, you have this little icon in the top left corner of the voice control. Now it means that it is on. If you turn on the attention aware, what it does, it uses the iPhone Face ID camera to make sure that you are looking on the phone. If you turn on this feature, now the voice control, because I'm not looking on the phone, should be turned off. So as you can see, now the sleeping of the voice control is on. But now if I take the phone right now and look on the phone, as you can see, now it is off because now I'm not looking on the phone. Now I'm looking. And as you can see, here is this icon that the voice control is on. So now I can say, for example, open camera. Open camera. And the camera is opened, as you can see right now. So let's go back and then go to the settings. Now the voice control is on, but it should be off in a moment. So let's maybe lock it, unlock it. It is still on, but the voice control is no longer listening. Maybe reset it. As you can see, now it is off. So also now if I'm going to say on the start listening, the voice control is going to be on, even if I'm not looking on a phone. If I say stop listening, now the sleeping commands are on. So this is it. This is how you can turn on or turn off the attention aware on the iPhone. So in the voice control. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.